fun.
And I'm loving what Janet's using as a pastry bag. Janet, can you talk to us a little bit about your makeshift pastry bag?
It's like this. Okay, I had a colostomy a couple of years. No, I'm just kidding. This is Ziploc, which is my favorite thing in the whole wide world. And I'm clearly not very.
You might have just overfilled it a touch.
Yeah.
I found when using a pastry bag, underfilling it is better, and then always go back in and fill more. But it'll do. It'll work. It's gonna work for you. I don't remember my mom doing this with the pastry bag. I think she just kind of glommed it on by hand and then smoothed it with her paws. But I like the pastry effect.
I was trying to do something festive and fun. It's super messy.
Okay, but don't make the viewers dizzy, please.
Okay, what's happening?
Where?
What the hell is this?
Gobi!
David, what'd you do?
I don't know. I'm not sure what I did, Gobi. I'm sorry.
What happened?
Bloody hell, mate!
Bloody hell, mate.
Bloody hell, mate!
Liz, just do it and come back, honey.
Believe this.
Oh, blimey!
What you been up to then?
Wow, it's interesting.
What you been up to?
It's super messy.
You fucked it up, didn't you?
It's a little messy.
You're not supposed to look at the top part. You're just supposed to look at this.
Libby!
Uh-oh. Sounds like some...
It's kind of gross. And kind of sexy at the same time.
all kind of...
Tracy, would you hold this, please, honey?
Yeah. Oh my God, Jay.
I know. I don't know.
You are double OC. Out of control.
Now I think all of a sudden something more C-ish has happened at the party.
Would you like me to hold or are you good?
I'm good.
Alright then.
Okay. And now for the bottom parts, I think we do kind of...
Like a slather.
Yeah, we do a slather,
Like
crazy.
titty caca all over your anus.
Right. And I think you do like this.
You're dirty.
I'm sorry, I spent yesterday with science teachers. What can I say?
Oh.
Yeah, I think the rest of it happens kind of like that.
Oh, you want some help with that?
Oh my God, look at that.
Let's use the whole bowl.
Yeah.
Because it's really just insulation. It's like going camping without a sleeping bag.
Right. You know, we thought we were
Lake
doing some
Titicaca
kind of
all over
star.
Uranus.
Titicaca Uranus.
And now recession or no recession?
Titicaca
You have a good life.
Just see her looking.
Titicaca Uranus.
She's really interested. You know?
This is beautiful.
Whatever we do, she's
Doesn't
just
she
really
have a
interested.
beautiful face? I love her.
I hate to break it to you, Gobi. She's just hoping food falls.
Oh.
She's part German Shepherd. She's highly intelligent.
And she's still just hoping food falls.
There's this full-blown German Shepherd that comes to the cafe.
Yeah.
She always barks at Keiko.
They hate each other.
So the other day, Keiko got loose and Tracy, look at the rope burn I got.
Oh.
And jumped at this big German Shepherd, got his throat. This Shepherd was dying. She's like, "Ah, to go get Keiko away from him." She almost killed the big German Shepherd. This fucking like
This is vodka martini.
I like this vodka martini. It's vodka and
To really insulate the
We
ice
have a
cream.
little,
a little bit of martini thrown in. I love it when it's vodka and slightly martini.
I like a little martini with my vodka.
That makes it super delicious because we know about cooking. Because our friend has a website blog.
Our friend
Has a web blog.
has a blogger scope.
She has a blog on the inner tubes.
Okay, really, these false eyelashes are hell. I'm just saying. If one ends up in the Bake Alaska,
That's all we got. That's all we got.
What ends up in the
Is everyone ready? It's going in.